Victoria, Bossy, come here. Kí ló mú ẹ? Èwo ló wá mú ẹ tó ń rìn bí ele? Why are you walking like this? Sha, come and sit down first. So I heard that Bola is pregnant. Your friend, your age mate. At what age? 18. So me, I just want to come and tell you, mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ ní pé ọjọ́ tó bá ti gbóyún délé. No, o tẹ̀ lè gbé délé gan. Tó bá ti mọ̀ pé o lóyún, ṣé orí ibi tó ti mọ̀ yẹn kò turn back. Kó má lọ, má jẹ́ n rí ẹ o. Má jẹ́ n rí ẹ o. Torí mò ń sọ tèmi sí o. Wàá lọ sóko, oko. Torí mi ò ní bí mo ṣe ń bọ́, mi ò lè bọ́ ẹ kí n tún máa bọ́ ọmọ. Oko. Wàá lọ kọ ebè fún ẹ, wàá lọ máa ṣiṣẹ́ oko. I want to go to lesson. Mommy, we are going to lesson. Àṣé ẹ̀ ń gba kọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lọ ń ṣòṣì. No, the thing now is open to the world to see. We now know that, okay, the two of you are into. If you like, don't let the home training that I'm giving you now, don't let it be effective. You like, the day that you know that you are pregnant, Sha, don't come to this house. Ma delay. Ma delay. Me, I enter your father's house without no pregnancy. And I gave birth to you guys with dignity in me. Ó fẹ́ dójú tì mí, ó lè dójú tì mí o. Àlọ́ dójú tì àwọn family bàbá ẹ̀. Okay? Ọmọ ní kí n bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ ni ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ lè wẹ́ kó dé máa yẹ ẹ̀dí kiri. Kó lè máa lọ.